Hello, it's Miss Hernandez and Brisa here, hoping you're having a great spring break. We have decided to try a little science experiment today, and it's something you could probably do at your house. So if you watch it and like it, then ask your mom to set the stuff up for you because it's stuff everybody has.
Or Dad.
Or Dad. We're going to be using a balloon and an empty bottle and baking soda and vinegar. That's it. We're going to put them together to make a chemical reaction. So before we start, what is a chemical reaction? It's when you put two things together and it makes something new. So we're going to put together our baking soda and our vinegar, and they're going to react, making a new chemical. We're going to be using all three states of matter in this experiment. What's the first state of matter?
Solid.
Solid. That's when it's hard, when it keeps its shape. What's the next state of matter?
Liquid.
Liquid, like water. It moves around. It doesn't have a defined shape. And then what's the last state of matter?
Gas.
Gas. That's like when your mom is cooking and the pot is boiling and you see the steam coming up. That is a kind of gas. We're breathing in oxygen. That's a kind of gas. Today, the gas we're making is called carbon dioxide. Let's see if we can do this. To start, we're going to try to get the baking soda inside the balloon. If you have a funnel, that's probably a lot better, but we didn't, so we're trying to make a paper one. You got that on there? And we're just going to dump a little bit of baking soda in here. Here's your baking soda, lady. See if we make a mess.
If we do, that's okay.
Dump, dump, dump. A little bit more. Ooh, that's plenty. Ay, ay, ay.
Oh,
And then you got to kind of work it down into the balloon because it's all getting stuck right there at the top. I can see little clouds of dust coming out. There it went. Okay, we got a balloon full of baking soda. Next we need a little bit of vinegar inside our bottle. You want to pour?
Yeah, this might be kind of tricky.
Oh, you're doing a very good job. A little bit more. That's probably enough.
Yeah, if you're doing two, you're going to stop at 100.
Okay, now the trickiest part is to get the balloon over the top of the bottle. You don't want to dump out the baking soda yet. You just want to get it around the top. And then when we pick up the balloon, all the baking soda will fall. Tell me the states of matter. In here we have the solid. The vinegar down here is the liquid. Now let's see the gas. Pick the balloon up, hold it straight up over the bottle. Shake out all of that. You can see the gas coming up. You can see our balloon expanding.
Make sure to put your finger up on there tight or make a rubber band on there really tight so it doesn't burst out.
I'm just trying to make sure it doesn't come out, but that's about all the gas we're going to get out of this one. It did inflate my balloon though with carbon dioxide. Should I tie it off for you?
Yes. If you tie it up, it won't float.
Yeah, it doesn't float like helium. It's not the same gas as helium, but it did fill it up with a gas that wasn't there before. That was our chemical reaction. Should we do it one more time?
Yeah. I can make it as a maraca.
We're going to put a little bit more baking soda in and see if it makes the balloon bigger or not.
You can start fan with this.
Girl, put some baking soda in here.
Mama, I want to try.
You want to do this one, baby? Mm-hmm. Okay, I'll let you do it in just a second. Gotta really work all your baking soda down in there.
Yeah. Time for the
stuck.
Time for
I got a little bit in my mouth because it's floating in the air. It does not taste good.
Yeah.
You want to start doing the vinegar while I finish getting my baking soda?
Yeah, I'm not really good at vinegar.
You did great last time.
I think I'm gonna mess up this time.
You spill it on you, you're gonna be stinky. Vinegar doesn't smell real good, but it does react.
Which is super good. You use
Oh, you're being very careful. Okay, Brisa, I'm going to ask you to hop down so Belle can get on the stool and she can do this one. You ready, Belle? Get over here.
But that one's mine.
You can have it when we're done. I'm going to put my balloon on, just stretch it out really careful.
This is my baby sister.
And Belle's going to hold it upright. You just got to pick the balloon upright and shake it all out. Brisa, Belle wanted to do one. Shake it, shake it, shake it.
And this one needs to be hers.
There it goes. Oh, we have filled up with bubbles here. The bubbles are getting up in the balloon.
But that one will
I think there's still baking soda in there too. Did it
Maraca.
get bigger?
It's a maraca.
Hold the balloons together. It looks a little bit bigger. They're about the same size. Okay, this one's a little wet inside because our chemical reaction got all the way to the top.
Yeah.
I can't get this one off.
Sometimes the baking soda.
All right, friends, thank you for watching. Again, I hope you have a wonderful spring break. I hope you're doing something productive. Try to make a chemical reaction at your house, and we'll see you soon. Bye.